Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw Hello Kitty playing basketball while we learn Spanish. We draw the head, that in Spanish is said, CABEZA. We draw a nice bow. Now we draw the eyes. Eyes in Spanish is OJOS. How do you say whisker in Spanish? Whisker in Spanish is bigote. We draw his t-shirt, which in Spanish is CAMISETA. We draw the ball. Ball in Spanish is balón. Let's go with his legs. Legs in Spanish is PIERNAS. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say bow in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. We use pink, that is said, ROSA. We use dark pink, that is said, ROSA OSCURO. Let's go with orange, that is said, NARANJA. Let's see if you know the answer. Bow in Spanish is LAZO. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.